Assalamu alaikum, student of class 3. Today our topic of English is pothole. In this lesson we read about a pothole on the road. A girl is looking from their window and she's saying that there are more accidents on the road due to this hole. So we read these lessons and learn a lesson from these chapters. What is the lesson? We discuss it at the end. First, Faiza looked out of her bedroom window. Another car was stuck in the road. The driver and an older man were changing one of the front wheel. Faiza watched as the men worked in the blazing sunshine. Blazing sunshine means shining bright and hot. When the sun is bright and hot, so we say it's blazing. A woman and two children were sitting beside the road under a tree, sheltering from the sun. Faiza switched on her computer. Switched on means she on her computer. She opened her calendar and began making notes on a sheet of paper. So many accidents in just 2 weeks, said Faiza to herself. Something must be done. The road is too dangerous. Kindergarten next door. Faiza looked out the window. The men had fixed the wheel and were wiping their hands on some old rag. The women and children were inside the car. Soon the car drove away. The big hole in the road, like a gaping mouth, waited darkly for the next victim. Faiza returned to her computer and wrote a letter. A week went by. 3 weeks went by. Faiza waited every day for a reply to her letter. No reply came. Every day Faiza made a new entry in her accident. Long auto stuck, cyclist falls into gutter, man injured, baskets fall into road, lorry has a puncture. Faiza found a basket and filled it with soil from her garden. She packed some compost into a bag. She carefully dug out a few small flowering shrubs and put them in a bag. She filled an old watering can with water. Then she found 3 long lengths of wood and some board pins. She placed the items near her front door. Back in her room, Faiza found 3 large sheets of cards. She began to write and draw on them. In the evening, Faiza collected all the things and took them out onto the side of the road. She fixed 2 of the sheets of cards to 2 pieces of wood. She propped them up with stones. At each end of the road, the sign said "Road closed." Faiza went back to the big pothole and emptied the basket of soil into it. She added the compost and mixed it all together. She planted the shrubs and watered them. She then pushed the third piece of wood into the soil and pinned the last sheet of cord to it, and it was a colorful sign. Students, in this story, the things is going to tell you that a girl, its name is Faiza, and she is very worried about this pothole which is on the road, and every day the accidents are going there. She is very upset. She write a letter to a institute where she can't get any response, so she decide to do something. She dig the hole and she planted there some plants, flowering plants, and Faiza's little garden was moved to the side of the road. The pothole was finally filled and the shiny new surface was put on the road. The garden today is called Faiza Garden, and it is full of lovely flowering shrubs. The student, read this story with the help of your parents again and again, and try to learn the spellings of difficult words which are underlined also, and also write on your notebook, and try to learn the meanings also these words. Okay, thank you.